welcome to another unboxing. This time we have two Kidrobot Transformers vs G.I.Joe boxes to open. These have been out a while in New Zealand and are based on the comic book series. As per usual, there are assorted ratios, but the chase are glow-in-the-dark Optimus Prime, a 1 in 48, Flag, a 1 in 48, Serpentress, a 1 in 96, and Metallic Blue Grimlock, 1 in 96. But onto box 1. It's Soundwave.
Rocket fuel is another highly concentrated form of energy.
How old are you?
No,
And what have you been doing all day? What have you been doing?
nothing.
And box 2. It's Wheeljack.
Let's see how he likes my new shock blast cannon. That's a shock, all right.
So a 1 in 24 and a 2 in 24. Not too bad. The paint jobs are unique and akin to their page presence in the comics. There's minor articulation, but the sculpts are weird and look like bastardized Playmobil. It's not what we've come to expect from Kidrobot. I'm undecided whether that's a good thing or a bad thing, and I feel that there's some potential that was missed here. But for now, that's our unboxing.
But now, with Playmobil Little People, the fun never ends. That's because they have movable bodies, lots of click-on accessories, and a whole world of kids' imagination to run on. And on and on. Playmobil Little People, the fun never ends.